there's the demo.html file and the script.js file, the script.javascript file. And on the right hand side I've got the folder open, which actually would have the web address allportpublishing.com/testing. So let me select both of those files, click, hold and drag them to my server. Okay, that's done. So they're both in the same folder on my server, so let's test that now. Okay, actually just before we test it, let me just backtrack for one moment. If we return to demo.html, that HTML file, there's one thing I neglected to specify. You have your script tag, and you're putting in the... Basically, you're keeping your HTML clean here, clean for the search engine spiders. But you're putting in the JavaScript code from an external file. In this case, we're using the script tag to pull in the JavaScript code from script.js, which is in the same folder as our HTML file. But what you must make sure you do is also include /script, so a script closing tag. So you use the script tag to pull in the JavaScript tag code, and then the closing tag to complete the code. So that's an important step as well. So okay, returning to QTFTP, in this demo, in the testing folder, I've uploaded the demo.html file and the script.js file. So now if we go to Internet Explorer and go to the address www.allportpublishing.com/testing, there's our two files, demo.html, script.js. If we click on demo.html to open it up, it automatically pops up Google, as you can see, in a new window. And there's our web page behind it with a text pop up Google. So there's the address I uploaded it to, into the testing folder, or my domain, allportpublishing.com, the testing folder, and the HTML file is called demo.html. Let's just refresh that to see it one more time. And there's Google once again in a new window. So that's how you move your JavaScript code from a web page into an external file, which makes it easier for the search engines to spider your pages, because less code they can trip over. And then for visitors to your web page, you call that JavaScript code into your HTML page when it's accessed. So basically, that's a way of moving your JavaScript into an external file to make it easier and to make your code cleaner for the search engines, but without losing any functionality.